ASVAB mixed practice. Question 61, word knowledge. The word obvious most nearly means A. Hidden, B. Clear, C. Secret, D. Unknown. Correct answer, B. Clear. Explanation, obvious means easy to see. Understand or notice something clear or evident. Question 62, arithmetic reasoning. If 4 shirts cost $48, what is the price of 7 shirts at the same rate? A. $72, B. $78, C. $84, D. $90. Correct answer, C. $84. Explanation, $48 for equals $12 per. Sure, $12, 7 equals $84. Question 63, general science. What is the main function of red blood cells? A. Fight infections, B. Carry oxygen, C. Produce hormones, D. Help with digestion. Correct answer, B. Carry oxygen. Explanation, red blood cells transport oxygen from the lungs to body tissues. Question 60 for mathematics knowledge. Simplify. What is the value of x? A. 2, B. 3, C. 4, D. 5. Correct answer, D. 3. Explanation. Correct answer, B. 3. Question 65, paragraph comprehension. Wind turbines convert the kinetic energy of wind into electrical power. This clean energy source reduces the use of fossil fuels and helps fight climate change. What is the main idea? A. Wind turbines make noise. B. Wind energy helps reduce pollution. C. Fossil fuels are renewable. D. Wind energy is harmful. Correct answer, B. Wind energy helps reduce pollution. Explanation, the paragraph focuses on the benefits of wind power as clean energy. Question 66, mechanical comprehension. If 2 objects have the same mass but one is lifted higher, which has more potential energy? A. The lower one, B. The higher one, C. Both have equal energy. neither has energy. Correct answer, B, the higher one. Explanation: potential energy increases with height. More height means more stored energy. Question 67, electronics information. What happens if a circuit has no complete path? A, current flows faster. B, current doesn't flow. C, voltage doubles. D, battery explodes. Correct answer, B, current doesn't flow. Explanation: a complete closed path is required for electric current to move. Question 68, auto and shop information. What is the purpose of a muffler in a car? A, increase speed. B, reduce noise from the exhaust. C, burn more fuel. D, filter all. Correct answer, B, reduce noise from the exhaust. Explanation: the muffler reduces engine and exhaust noise. Question 69, assembling objects. If you rotate a square 90 degrees, how will it appear? A, upside down. B, sideways but same shape. C, stretched. D, smaller. Correct answer, B, sideways but same shape. Explanation: rotating a square doesn't change its shape or size, only its position. Question 70, arithmetic reasoning. A farmer has 120 cows. If 15% are sold, how many cows remain? A, 90. B, 96. C, 102. D, 108. Correct answer, D, 102. Explanation: 15% of 120 equals 181 to 018 equals 100 to cows left.